Most cleaning business owners get this wrong. They think software is just for invoices and scheduling. But here's the truth no one tells you. The right software is the difference between a chaotic cleaning business and one that runs like a system. In this video, you will learn the top 5 cleaning business software options in 2026 and how they actually perform in real operations. Not theory. Real situations like managing recurring clients, handling last-minute cancellations, sending cleaners to the right location, and tracking payments without stress. And stay with me, because by the end, you will know exactly which software fits your cleaning business size, whether you are solo or managing a full team. Let's start with number 5, ZenMaid. ZenMaid is built specifically for maid and residential cleaning businesses. Imagine someone like Lisa running a small cleaning team of 3 people. ZenMaid helps her schedule recurring jobs, manage clients, and send reminders automatically. But here's the problem. It is very focused on scheduling. If you want deeper business analytics or advanced field operations, you may feel limited as you grow. At number 4, we have Markate. Markate is a simple all-in-one tool that covers estimates, invoices, and basic CRM features. For someone like Jake who just started a small cleaning service, it keeps everything organized without complexity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Markate is affordable and easy, but it does not specialize deeply in cleaning workflows like recurring routes or cleaner optimization. At number 3, Jobber. Jobber is one of the most popular service business tools. It handles scheduling, invoicing, customer communication, and payments in a very clean interface. For a cleaning business owner like John managing a growing team, Jobber makes it easy to assign jobs and track work in real time. The strength of Jobber is simplicity and reliability. But as your cleaning business scales, you may notice it lacks deeper automation and advanced route optimization features. At number 2, HouseCallPro.io. HouseCall Pro is designed for growing service businesses that want automation and customer retention tools. It allows you to schedule jobs, send automated reminders, collect payments, and even request reviews automatically after each cleaning job. But here is the catch. While powerful, it takes time for teams to fully learn. If your cleaners are not tech-friendly, onboarding can take effort. Now we reach number 1, ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is built for large cleaning and service companies. Think dozens of cleaners, multiple supervisors, and high daily job volume. It gives advanced scheduling, reporting, marketing automation, and detailed performance tracking. For example, you can see which cleaner is performing best, which customers are most profitable, and which routes waste the most time. But here's the reality. It is expensive and complex. For small cleaning businesses, it is often more than what you actually need. So how do you choose the right one? If you are just starting out or running a small cleaning team, ZenMaid or Markate will keep things simple and affordable. If you are growing and need balance between ease and power, Jobber is a solid middle option. If you want automation, follow-ups, and customer retention tools, HouseCall Pro becomes a strong upgrade. And if you are running a large cleaning operation with multiple teams, ServiceTitan is the most powerful system available. Now here is the key insight most cleaning business owners miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one that reduces missed jobs, confused schedules, and wasted travel time. If your team is constantly asking what to do next, your software is the problem, not your cleaners. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, subscribe for more business software comparisons, and comment your cleaning business size, so I can help you pick the exact setup that fits your workflow.